Reduce the risk of water spotting when washing your car or cleaning around your house with this on-the-go water deionizer. Our collaboration with On The Go has brought an incredible, efficient, and portable water deionizing system to California car cover. The standard head model is easy to set up and use. Simply connect the inside of the deionizer to your household water supply using the included high-pressure hose. Connect a water hose to the outside of the deionizer. Allow a few minutes for water to flow through the resin and prime the deionizer for initial use. Next, wet and wash your vehicle. Wash your vehicle as usual with your preferred car wash soap. Third, thoroughly rinse your vehicle, removing all dirt, soap, and suds. We recommend using a hose nozzle with shutoff valve in conjunction with the deionizer to avoid any waste of deionized water. The on-the-go water deionizer resin refills remove the hard minerals from water which cause spotting. It leaves behind ultra-pure water that does not leave residue or spots. You can follow up with a drying towel or allow the vehicle to drip dry for a spot-free clean. The portable water deionizer also works wonders around your home. You can use it to wash and clean large projects like an RV or car trailer. Use it to save yourself time when cleaning windows or siding on the home as well. Resin refill kits for the on-the-go water deionizer are available through the California Car Cover website.